how to activate HSBC debit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your HSBC debit card. So first of all, just open your browser on your smartphone or on your PC and just simply search for hsbc.co.uk, and then you will be redirected to the official website of the HSBC bank. And here on the menu bar, you just have to select Help, Service and Security, and under the drop down menu you have to select Customer Support, and now you just have to select the support that you need. So since we want to activate our debit card, so we'll just scroll down and just click on Card Support. Scroll down and here you can see under the Card Support Essentials, activate your card. Just click on that, and here you will see the entire process through which you can activate your card. So in order to activate your card through mobile banking app, you just have to log into your HSBC account, and after that you just have to go to manage cards and then select activate card. After that you just have to choose the card you need to activate, and then just review the information displayed and just tap on confirm, and then your card will be activated. And if you're doing it online on online banking, so you just have to simply log into your bank account using your security key and select the account for the card you want to activate. And after that just go to manage and then select your activate card, and then you just have to simply choose the card you need to activate, and then review the information displayed and just select confirm, and after that your card will be successfully activated. So this is how you will be able to activate your HSBC debit card. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.